just on my final dog walk here in the Cotswolds before I fly over to Vietnam tomorrow. And I'm just taking in, I guess, the views, the lush countryside before hitting Southeast Asia. I used to live in Vietnam, so I'm super excited to go back. It kind of feels like home. The smells, the people, the smiles, the food, gosh, so much to look forward to. But I'd love you to come with me, so let's go to Vietnam. Welcome to Hanoi. As you can see, it's rush hour here, everyone's heading home. I'm just about to try and cross the road, so wish me luck. It's a bit of a skill, but you soon learn it. Yeah, you can see there's still plenty of people out and about, heading up to get some food, or indeed selling food. Lots of people just eat, you know, on the streets. All the locals are out still. But yeah, I'm loving being back, enjoying my first day, exploring, seeing the sights. Tomorrow we're going to head out nice and early, so we're going to see a different side to Hanoi. So I shall see you then. Good morning, it's a new day. It's only just 7 o'clock and it's already pretty busy. Everyone's up, out and about, getting to work, doing their thing, I guess, you know, going somewhere. We're heading off on a city tour today. We're going to go and try some of the local food for breakfast to get some energy first of all though.
Mà 10.000 thì ta có 3 thứ luôn. Không đâu giải bằng ở đây. Anh ơi cô ơi.